Hey everybody, Nate here from Zone Off-Road. Today I have a 2022 Jeep Wrangler JLU and it's sporting our 3-inch lift kit. This lift kit will increase your off-road performance as you can get more ground clearance as well as fit a larger wheel tire package on this Jeep. The 3 inches of lift on this kit is achieved from our front and rear coil springs that are included with this lift kit. Front and rear sway bar links are also included to make sure that your sway bar is operating at the correct angle it needs to be. Your rear track bar also has a relocation bracket included as well for the same reasons. The front and rear also have bump stop extensions that are included with this kit. Front lower cam washers are included to correct caster. This lift kit comes with 2 options for shocks. Now you can go with our standard Nitro Series shocks, or if you want to, you can step it up a notch and go with the Fox Adventure Series shocks. As far as tire options go, you can go with a 35 by 12.5 inch tire and the wheel has to be a 5.5 inch back spacing, or if you want to, you can step up to a 37 inch tire, 12.5, and also make sure that wheel is at 4.5 inches of back spacing. If you want to learn more about this lift kit, you can check it out at zoneoffroad.com. Make sure you stay up to date with us on Facebook and Instagram, and please subscribe to us on YouTube. We'll see you guys out on the trails.